Welcome to Study Loop.
Solving part A of this problem. So here I can write the formula of m is equal to 1 plus d by f, which can be further written as 3 is equal to 1 plus 25 by f. On further simplification, I can write the value of 25 by f is equal to 2. So finally I can write the value of f is equal to 25 by 2, which is equal to 12.5 centimeter. Now going to the second part, that is part B. So here when the image is formed at infinity normal adjustment, the magnifying power m is equal to d by f, which is equal to 25 by 12.5, which is equal to 2. So 2 is the magnifying power. I hope you understand the solution. An image is formed at infinity. Image is formed at infinity.